boy Catloco, and today we're back in the junkyard. And this yard, I normally don't even look at the truck section because 9 times out of 10 someone already took what you're looking for. But today's a little special. Today's 40% off, and we actually found a 6.0. Found a 6.0, which is that one right there, and aluminum 5.3 with 799 heads. Now there's a guy already pulling the 5.3 with the 799s. He's a reseller, cool dude. But this one right here, this guy right here is taking off the exhaust, but no one's touched it. If you take a look at it, it says mechanical on it, on the glass. You got your 2002 Escalade LX, and if you take a look at it right here, actually we'll come back to it. Let's go take a look at the 5.3. So old boy's done over there. Too much junk in there. So yeah, man, I'm filming. Did you take the PCU? Yeah, PCM.
No.
So how much you thinking you're gonna sell this one for?
Huh?
How much you think you're gonna sell this one for?
Probably like the heads for 4 and the bottom end for around 250.
Nice.
And it should be about 120 to get it out the door here. So with the sale and the core price.
Yeah. So is it like a local pickup or Craigslist,
Yeah,
eBay?
Yeah.
Local, yeah. Shipping on that would be insane.
Yeah.
So right down, if you can see it, it says 799 on the heads. But yeah, this truck actually got wrecked. 06 Chevy Silverado. I never really look at the Gen 4 trucks. But it looked like something, like this thing must have rolled over. You can tell. But Buddy got lucky because, man, someone took the transmission out already. So basically, all he had to do was yank out the motor mounts, cut a few lines, and now he got it out. So that's it. Hey, you had too much fun with this one. I'm gonna have to start doing it like you. You think they only gonna charge you for 120?
Yeah, the normal price is 140. $30 cord, and then it's 40% off. So
Yeah, but they normally nickel and dime you for like the injectors. Yeah, you'll take it off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because yeah, they'll nickel and dime you for every piece on there.
Oh yeah. Especially if the shit's not even worth anything.
Yep.
You know, they don't.
They'll crush it with no problems.
Yeah.
You need help? How you got it?
Yeah, the sawzall is really sounding good right now.
I mean, if you pull it enough, it'll pop off. Let me move your cart. So you pull on that side, I'll pull on this side. Ready? Oh, there you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yep, no problem. Now you gotta get the cart back under there.
Yeah.
Oh, you have room underneath the car. You can see he's also using the Ryobi impact that LS just picked up. So the Ryobi impact driver also. Give him a Milwaukee ratchet. So minimal tools, man. She's all out. So you can see Buddy over there still working on the Escalade. I don't have any time today to actually take a look at it. But like I said, that one does have the 6.0. He's just taking off the exhaust, which would actually make it pull in a lot easier. The trans is still on there, so that's the biggest problem. But I'm really tempted to pull that one, even though it says mechanical issues. Normally, I wouldn't suggest going after something that says mechanical on it. It's not wrecked. Like this one flipped over, so that's like the perfect one to go after. But anyway, I just thought I'll show you guys. I actually got lucky on sale day. It's 40% off. Found aluminum 5.3. Found the 6.0 right there on the Escalade XL. As always, it's your boy Loco. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.